Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to download Salesforce record in an Excel format using Lightning Web Component. Let's look at the demo first and then we can look at the Lightning Web Component behind the screen and also the configuration to achieve this. So here I have a quick action called export to account. This is my custom Lightning Web Component quick action. If I click it, it will download my account record and as well as the contact records. So it downloaded my account name, industry and annual revenue in sheet 1, and in the sheet 2 it downloaded contact ID, contact full name, and as well as the email in the Excel file in sheet 2. Let's look at the configuration behind this. I am making use of Sheet.js library. Go to this Sheet.js open source link, find which is the current version, click the excelSX.full.min.js, right click and use save as, and then you can download this JavaScript library. Once it is downloaded, go to static resource and create a static resource and upload that file. I have made sure the cache control is public because I'm also using it on a Lightning Experience Cloud for guest users. So I have made this as cache control as public. In the account object, I created export account Excel as the label, and I'm making use of Lightning Web Component called export to Excel. In the Lightning Web Component, I'm using Lightning record action and record page to get the record ID, record action, so that it is a headless action. It will just download the file. It won't open any screen. I'm not using screen quick action. It is a headless quick action. So it will open the quick action, do the download, and then it will close. Since I'm not using this as a screen quick action, the template will be empty. Here I am making use of the Sheet.js library, which is stored in the static resource. Using load script, I am loading the JavaScript in the invoke method, and then I am using get record to get the current record. For the current record, I am getting the account name, industry and annual revenue. Using get related list records from UI related list API, I am getting the contact ID, name and email. So using the wire, I am getting wire framework, I am getting the account record and as well as the contact records. When the quick action is clicked, it will call this invoke method, and using Sheet.js library, I am creating first sheet with the name, industry and annual revenue, and I am creating second sheet with the contact ID, name and email, and I am downloading that generated Excel file. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample Lightning Web Component code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.